Julius either. Act 1, Scene 1.
Boom. Is this a holiday? What know you not? Being mechanical, you ought not to work. Upon a laboring day without the sign of your profession, speak what trade art thou?
Why, sir, a carpenter?
Where is the leather apron and the rule? What those go with the best apparel on? You, sir, what trade are you?
Truly, sir, in respect of a fine workman, I am, but as you would say, a cobbler.
What trade? Answer me directly.
A trade, sir, that I hope I may use with a safe conscience, which is indeed, sir, a mentor of bad souls.
What trade? Do not need, do not need. What trade?
Nay, I beseech you, sir, be not out with me yet, and if you be out, sir, I can mend you.
What meanest thou to me by that? Mend me, thou saucy fellow?
Why, sir, cobble you?
Cobbler art thou?
By is with the all, I meddle with no tradesman matter nor woman's matter, but withal I am indeed, sir, a surgeon to old shoes when they are in great danger. I recovered them as proper men I was trod upon his leather have gone upon my handiwork.
But wherefore art not in thy shop today?
Only, sir, to wear out their shoes, to get myself into more work, but indeed, sir, we make holiday to see Caesar and to rejoice his triumph.
Wherefore rejoice? What conquest brings he home? What tributaries follows him to Rome to grace in captive bonds his chariot wheels? You block, you stones, you roast and selfish things. O you hard hearts, you cruel men of Rome, knew you not Pompey many a time and oft? Have you climbed up to walls and battlements, to towers and chimney tops? The livelong day with patient expectation to see great Pompey pass the streets of Rome, and when you saw his chariot but appear, have you not made an universal shout? The Tiber trembled underneath her banks to hear the replication of your sound. Begone! Run to your houses, fall upon your knees, pray to God to intervene the plague that needs much lighter this ingratitude.
Go, go, good countrymen, for this fault, assemble all the poor men of your sword. Draw them to Tiber banks and weep your tears into the channel till the lowest stream. Do kiss the most exalted source of all. See where their based metals be not moved, they vanish tongue-tied in their guiltiness. Down that towards the Capitol. This way will I disrobe the images, if you do find them decked with ceremonies.
May we do so? You know it is the fest of Lupercus.
It is no matter, let no images be hung with Caesar's trophies. I will about and drive away the vulgar from the streets. So do you too, where you perceive them thick. These growing feathers plucked from Caesar's wing will make him fly an ordinary pitch. Who else would soar above the view of man and keep us all in servile carefulness?
All from the students of Q3.